Dear faculty members, research scholars, and PG students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to create quality figures. While writing our research paper, the important points to remember is the quality of writing. At the same time, we have to focus the creation of quality figures also, because the quality figures represents your significance, so that we have to concentrate on creating quality figures. So what are the importance of scientific figures? It should be relevant to the context. Actually, if you propose anything or if you justify your proposed method or analysis, so the figure should be relevant to the context. Second one is, it should be convey correct information, because the first reader will be your reviewer, so the reviewer can understand you have to convey in the figure, that is, it contains the correct information also. The third one is, we have to follow the as per publication quality, because most of the journals are mentioning the quality of the figure also. So we have to read and we have to follow the publication quality terms or rules. The fourth one is, the selection of tool also very important, because based on your requirement, based on your domain, so you have to select your tool for creating a quality figure. Fifth one is color contrast, color or contrast effectiveness. It should be the color. Suppose if you creating color image, the color contrast should be effective. And if you create a mono images, and there also we need to focus on the effectiveness of the colors or the contrast level. The finally, appropriate caption is required. So the caption is the main head of the your figure, so the caption should be appropriate. So what are the types of quality figures? Here actually it's a technical one, the raster and vector images, or raster data or vector data we can say. The raster data depends, that is resolution dependent, because the raster data, while actually generally we are creating a raster images only. For example, if you go and create a figure on paintbrush, if you save the BMP file or JPG file, it is called raster, because each and every pixel has a own the pixel values, so that it is called raster. But the drawback is, while you are resizing, the pixel values or the pixels will be broken, so the contrast or the resolution will be changed while you are resizing the image. That is only the one drawback of this raster images. But in the vector, it is a resolution independent. While resizing the image, so the same quality is maintaining, whatever, while shrinking or expanding your images, the same quality will be maintained in the vector images. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate the raster image, how to create a simple raster image, the simple image, that is with quality figure, with quality also. So before entering demonstration, so these are the recommended tools: ImageJ, GIMP are open sources, so you can download online ImageJ and GIMP, and one more required is Adobe Photoshop, and obviously we can have a MS Excel and PowerPoint. So using this, so we can create a quality figures. So now in this method one, I am going to create a quality figure using Excel, PowerPoint and Adobe Photoshop. So now I am entering a demonstration. So initially we have to create the graph. So already I created a simple graph. Okay, so this is x-axis and y-axis. So simply I am giving so no the legends or labels are available here. So simply I am giving so colorful graph. Okay, so here I am created a graph. So before that I am giving some steps also. So these are all the steps we have to follow that is draw your figures using graph tools, copy the figure. So one by one I am explaining in the demonstration. So after creating whatever you like, whatever you chart, you can create here. So whatever you can like, or mono chart, monogram chart, or color chart, whatever you like, you can create here. And just I am copy this figure into Word file so that we can understand the difference between before the quality figure and after improving the quality of the figure. So here I am the Word file I am copying. So here already I copied. So the same file I copied here. So the problem is, suppose if I copy the figure from the, so just assume this Word file is your manuscript, okay. So if I copy from the Excel directly, it is some problem here while shrinking and expanding this. The legends, that is the values are changing here. For example, if you increase 0, 5, 10, 15 is up here. So it is not fair for while communicating the manuscript. So we have to create, we have to follow some procedure to create the quality figures. So after creating, I am copy this Excel file into PowerPoint. So here I am blank PowerPoint is there. So here in the PowerPoint, the slide size can be changeable. Here the slide size options are available in the custom slide. So whatever depends upon your figure. For example, if you need more width or more height, you can customize the figure slide. So for example, I need more length means, so I can increase the, for example, I am giving 40 here. So it is, and maximize is okay. So it is the widely, that is the width is increased. So I am pasting the graph here. So whatever you like, you can fix it, the size, okay. Here you can fix it, and you can make any font size or whatever, you can improve the font sizes here also, you can improve here like that, because it should be appear the very good manner, so that I am giving a made a bold letters and increasing font size also. And now I am giving x-axis, y-axis texts. For example, here I am giving x-axis. So I am, for example, I am giving, so you can give whatever you can like. So same can be in the y-axis. I am rotating. So I am changing y-axis. So here also you can change the font more. Suppose if you like to change more. So like that you can change. So after that, after giving anything, for example, if you like to change this line and go to format and format axis, then you can change the line also. Solid lines. So here these lines, so I can black lines. So like that you can change whatever you can. So thickness, if you like to change thickness, so like that you can change anything in the graph here. So now I am just formatting all the graph. So as per the step, we have to save as PDF. So graph example I am saving. So in the desktop. Or this folder I am saving here. So I have saved as a PDF file. And obviously we have to save the PPT file also. For example, if you need the future modification, we have to save the PPT file also. So now I saved the PDF file. Okay, so then I am opening the Photoshop. Here I am open the PDF file. The folder I am going to open. The graph example PDF file. Here, so it will ask the resolution of the file. So the journals are recommending the, if it is a monochrome file means monochrome image means, so up to 300 pixels per inch. For example, color image means it should be 150 is enough. So it is a grayscale means 200 or 300 we can give. So it is a RGB color image. So it image size also we have to consider. Suppose if you give more resolution, the size also increase. For example, here 300 means 30 MB, 30.4 MB it gives. So it is very difficult to upload or place in the Word document. So that is 150 is enough. So 7.6 MB size of the image. So here I am giving the OK. So as per the journal's guidelines, we can give the resolution of the image also. Okay. So it is, I'm opening the, actually the PDF file kind is only one page, so that it is opening the Photoshop. So here, so I can crop using crop tool. So whatever you like you can reduce, because in the PPT slide is very wide now. So here I can crop like that. I crop here and it should be saved as TIFF file, because most of the journals are preferring only TIFF files. So I am saving in the desktop file graph example TIFF file. So it is leave it as per the all the options are the same, and give the OK. Okay, so now it is JPG is saved. So now I am going to Word file. Here I am inserting the JPG file. So from this device, desktop, already saved in the desktop graph example. So see the difference between this Excel file and this converted quality converted the file all. Okay, so see the difference. So while you are syncing, so no issue. So it is still appearing all the values, but you can, if you copy from the Excel file, so it is changing, all the values are changing accordingly. So this is the best way to insert the figure after creation of quality figure. So it is actually it is a raster figure. So but if you simple figure we can create based on the raster figure. Suppose if you graphical related figures should be created in the vector data, so that it will not be broken, the pixel will not be broken. So it is enough for the simple figures, this raster images. So I hope you understand these methods. So these are the steps to follow the creating of quality figures. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Press the bell icon. Thank you.